Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best app to find different home screen setup for Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So this is my home screen setup which I have set by myself. So if you want to set or want to find out different home screen setup which are being set up by different persons, then what you need to do is just open the Play Store application and just search for one application name as TruePic. Just search this application and on the first list you will see the application. Just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening it will show you some instructions you can read or you can just dismiss it. Click on OK. So now you can see our different home screen setup which are being uploaded by different users. So you can see here. So if you tap on it, you can see what launchers they have used, what are the icons they have used on this home screen setup, and you can just click on it and it will take you to the either to the respective store or the Google Play Store. You can go and you can directly download the respective launchers which are being used by the respective user, and you can see what are the icons being used on this home screen setup. You can just tap on this icon and you can just go to the Play Store again. So this is the icon which is being used on this home screen setup, so you can just install it and you can similarly customize it. And if you want the same or similar wallpaper exactly like this as you can see in the screen, so you can either click on this photo like or the image like picture. So you can see here the image is provided and you can just click on this three dot icons and you can click on this download to download this picture file. So here are tons of different home screen setup that you can check out by yourself. So you can see different home screen setups, what are the launchers, what are the icons, and what widgets they use, and the uploaded names. So even you can upload it just by clicking on this upload, but this upload feature is right now only available for TruePic Prime users. So you need to purchase this TruePic Prime in order to upload your own customized home screen setup on this application. So if you don't feel like uploading, then you can try this free versions, and if you feel like uploading, then you can get the TruePic Prime memberships. So you can click on this image like icon on the right bottom also if you want to check out all the wallpapers that are being provided for free here. You can tap on the respective wallpaper and you can click on this three dot icons and you can just share it or you can download this respective wallpapers also. So here you will get a different home screen setup uploaded by different users. So in my opinion, it's a very good applications where one can share or upload their own respective customized home screen setup for respective Android smartphones. So if you never known about these cool applications where you can find different home screen setup for Android smartphones, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.